Hello everyone. NATA second attempt results are declared today evening only. Lots of reactions are coming in. Students in majority, it seems that they are not very much happy with their respective scores. The reason they quote is probably the change of pattern, and most of the students, they also share their experience in a way that the second NATA attempt is probably more tricky than the first NATA paper and the questions. And this was also stringent this time, because in the PTQ type of questions, which is preferential choice based, there was a variation between first NATA and the second NATA marking pattern. In the first attempt, it was like, for PTQ questions, minimum 1 marks or 2 or maximum 3 marks were there, based upon the four most appropriate options that were to be chosen by the students. But in the second attempt, it was like, if all the four options chosen by the candidate are in the bracket of the most appropriate answers, then only the marks will be allotted to the students. So the students' reaction is like this. Marking scheme was even more stringent than the NATA first attempt, and thus we can ultimately see the consequences of this, that मे भी बहुत सारी सीट्स हो सकता है कि खाली चली जाएं, क्योंकि बहुत कम स्टूडेंट्स ने क्वालिफाई किया है. इट सीम्स we can see that 25,000 students have appeared NATA this time, and as the reactions are coming in, if we consider 50% of 25,000, it comes out to be 12 or 13,000 as a round off figure. And if we calculate the total number of seats, considering at an average 40 intake for every individual college, likewise for all 469 colleges, there are about, say, 20,000 seats. And out of 20,000 seats, if only 12 to 15,000 examinees are there who have qualified for NATA, then all the seats will go vacant. So finally, it's an appeal, it's a request to Council of Architecture to consider the situation and the current conditions, and allow the students to appear for third NATA as well. Those who have even given both the earlier NATAs, if they have been allowed to give the third attempt also, uh, would be nice for them in terms of even boosting up their morale and their dreams to take up architecture as a career. So that's all for now. All the best to the students. Please don't get disheartened, and just gear up for the JEE BH Paper 2 exam, and let's hope for the best from Council of Architecture, that they would consider our request and appeal to allow all the students and open the application windows for all the aspirants of architecture to appear in NATA third attempt. So that's all for now. Um, Take care and stay tuned with Arch to Success from Saraswati Tutorials.